There was this guy named Kevin and the girl's named Stacy. They both are in love and they're thinking of making another human, which means they have to do something together. Don't want to go too far. Generally, mom has 46 chromosomes and dad have 46 chromosomes as well. So in order to make a baby, they have to contribute half of their chromosomes. So since they got one from each parent, so 23 pairs, 50-50. Now, what will happen if one contributes too many? Say dad contributes 23 and mom contributes 24, or it could be the other way around. Is that possible? Yes, and it comes to one of the most common chromosomal disorders that we call it Down syndrome or trisomy 21. We have an egg cell for Stacy and sperm cell for Kevin. In order to package up half of the chromosomes into either a sperm cell or an egg cell, you actually have to start with a single cell that has 46 chromosomes. Now, what the cell does is splits into two and pulls apart the paired chromosomes. So in each of these cells, you now got 23 chromosomes. Now the two copies of chromosome get pulled apart and the cells split again, which means 4 cells, each still with 23 chromosomes. Now these are ready to pair up with a sperm cell from Kevin that has 23 chromosomes as well, totaling 46 chromosomes, and voila! 9 months down the road, you've got yourself a baby! Now, what will happen if the chromosomes don't split apart? And it is called the non-disjunction. If the chromosomes in the first step don't split apart, then one cell ends up with both chromosomes and the other gets none. Then the final result is 2 cells with an extra chromosome and 2 cells missing a chromosome. Now, if a sperm cell combines with any of these that have a duplicate of chromosome 21, then the combined cell will have 1 extra copy of chromosome 21. In other words, 3 chromosome 21 or trisomy 21. The non-disjunction can also happen in the second step. So the first step goes great and both cells have a chromosome, but if they don't split apart in the second step, then the final result is 1 cell with an extra chromosome, 1 cell missing a chromosome, and 2 with the right number of chromosomes. In case you were wondering, the sperm could also combine with these cells that have the missing chromosome. If that's the case, then there would be a total of only 1 chromosome 21. We call it monosomy 21. No one wants to be born with Down syndrome because it has so many complications in life. Now, what they both should do to avoid the Down syndrome for their newborn baby is to get genetic counseling. Hope you learned something about Down syndrome today.